Okay guys, so we're back in this garage after a couple years actually. This is the Genie H4000 screw drive. This door is not in the greatest condition still. Nothing's really changed about it. I'm pretty sure the opener works, but hasn't been ran in quite some time. So we'll find that out in a moment here. There's the button, basic doorbell button. And here we go. It does that thing. So I think the RPM sensor's messed up and it doesn't want to close all the way every time for some reason. So what we'll do is we'll pull the cord here. Shit. Okay, it's not closing for some reason. We'll figure that out. Okay, so I figured it out. Something's blocking the opener from closing on the way down. Okay, so there it is.